Hi everyone, welcome back to Plantsta. I hope you guys are doing so great. So happy. In this video, I am going to discuss about an excellent powder which is none other than goat manure. It is one of the bestest and cheapest and balanced nutrients rich fertilizer, and it is suitable for any types of plants. So let us discuss in detail. Before starting, if you are new to my YouTube channel, watch the entire video. If you like it, you can hit the subscribe button. Let's dive into the concept. So first thing is we have to collect the goat poop. So after collecting the goat poop, we have to spread them on a trap or cover, and we have to place them in a sunny spot to dry them completely. So this can take 2 to 3 days or even week depending upon the weather. So why I am following this step? So basically in goat poop we have some moisture content. So in order to remove that, we are keeping in sunlight. The people who buy goat poop in online platforms such as Amazon or Flipkart, you can skip this step because already they have dried the goat poop in a sunlight. So after this process, using some stones or some mixtures, you can make them in a powder. So for even fine powder, you can use some strainer, etc. So after that, you can store this powder in a airtight container. And now our powder is ready. Let us discuss how to use. So first thing is, for potted plants, you can add 1 tablespoon, and then we have to mix them with soil immediately, and we have to pour water. So this is the main procedure. When you make this powder, while you are applying, you have to mix them with the soil and you have to add water immediately. So for clear results, you have to repeat this for every 4 to 6 weeks. And another interesting information is we can also make a liquid fertilizer from this goat poop. So for that, we have to take a bucket and then you have to fill the bucket with the water. So then we can add the goat poop in the ratio of 1 is to 5. One part of goat poop to the 5 part of water. After that, we have to stir them and keep in a shaded area for 2 days. So after 2 days, we can observe the nutrients present in the goat poop are dissolved into the water. Then after this, we have to strain the mixture by using strainer, and then we have to dilute the liquid before getting into a plant. So we have to dilute this mixture or dilute this liquid into 1 is to 10 ratio. So before applying to your plant, then you can also spray it in leaves for morning or evening for a quick boost. You can use this liquid fertilizer for every 15 days once. Let us discuss about its benefit. So it is organic and chemical free making, and it is safe for your plants and environment. I already said that it is very balanced fertilizer. So unlike some other manure, goat manure is very mild and less likely to ban your plant, and it is very rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, so it promotes healthy plant growth. And this fertilizer is also called as NPK fertilizer, and it improves soil structure and it helps to retain moisture for your plant. That's it for today's video. This powder is simple to make and easy to use and effective for growing healthy plant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Plantsta for more gardening tips and hacks. Thanks for watching this video and happy gardening. Tata, bye bye. See you.